Vulture Tech, Vulture Tech, Vulture Tech.
Hey guys, welcome to Vulture Tech. I'm Josh. Mid 2010 Macbook 13. You need to replace the battery? Come with me. 3 minutes, give or take. I'll show you. Let's go. Macbook Pro mid 2010 model, 13-inch. Model A1278. You want to change the battery? Let's do it. Flip it over. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These screws are all going to be the same. 1, 2, 3. Those screws are going to be different. I'll pretend like I'm screwing here. You get the picture. Take 10 screws off. You can do it. Take a minute. Okay. Here's your battery. Here's the clippy. Undo this. Bang. On my computer, there's one screw holding it in here. On yours, there might be one there as well. Unscrew that. And look how easy this is. You should be doing this. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. So it pops out like that. See these tabs sit under here? That's what your MacBook Pro battery looks like. I have one screw here. I believe there's another screw here. I just don't have it anymore. So what are you going to do? Put this on, flip it over, test it out before you put all those screws back on. Hit the button. That was easier than you thought, wasn't it? Fresh battery in. This is going to bring this thing back to life. This is a great thing. Watch my other video. You can boost this puppy up to 16 gigs of RAM. Fresh battery, 16 gigs of RAM. Put an SSD in here. Oh my God, this beautiful hunk of machine has new life. Check out the other videos. Watch the new videos.